All right, here's a quick fix for wheel pants. Sometimes you don't want to replace them, but you got little cracks in them. This is a fix that I use at the field, and it works really well, and it lasts for a long time. So you can see here, I've got a wheel pant that is just starting to crack, and it's got some small damage. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take a little bit of CA and weep it right in where the crack is. Work that in there really good. This one's got a little bit of paint coming off of it. Once you get it worked in, just do a quick wipe off and then hit it with kicker. Wipe that off. Now it's not moved. What we need to do is support the inside so that it's a little bit more resistant to the vibration. Take this 2mm craft foam, cut off a small section, and that's going to go in right where that crack and that broken area. Once you've got a pretty decent fit, just take some Gorilla Glue, clear grip, fantastic stuff. Put it on relatively thick. Take a putty knife, smear it on so that all the corners are covered and there's a nice consistent layer. Once we've got that done, lay it inside there, put it right up against the roll so it sits in tight. Take a standard wood clamp and clamp that down in until that cures. Once that's cured, you just pull it off. It's tight all the way around. It's going to dampen the vibration that is causing the cracking. This is actually going to last you a long time. This one here was broke all the way up. It's lasted me months. You can get a lot more out of a wheel pant just doing this quick little fix, and then you're not replacing them or flying without. Till next time, happy landings.